Good morning, afternoon, and evening. Allow me to introduce our dedicated teams from Yunus University who have collaborated tirelessly on our research paper titled Gender Detection Using Face Recognition to CNN and Keras API. Our team member include Yuri Julius, Michael Anthony Aslan, and Justin Dekat Sukmas who have brought their diverse expertise and passion for technology to this project. Before before to our presentation, here are our poster about our project. Okay, next. Okay, so this is our presentation about gender detection using face recognition to CNN and Keras API. Next. Introduction. In our age where everything requires the help of technology, gender recognition to computer vision has given a considerable impact to our daily lives. This system implementation will without doubt affect our social interactions, video game industry, security, human-computer interaction, and many more. Gender recognition to computer vision has been an active area of research in recent years, with promising results achieved using various techniques such as face detection, feature extraction, and machine learning algorithms.
Okay, and there is the research and experiment. Our paper conclude experiment and testing of gender recognition models through face recognition. We choose this research method because we deducted that the best way to produce desirable outcomes is through independent research and observing possibilities for future improvements. And our research and experiment consists of datasets from Kaggle, provided by Collabs, 200K image, and these are the sample. And then we have the data processing. From the given dataset, our model will implement a convolutional neural network architecture in identifying genders through the given image set. Our model will also use Keras API, which is based around CNN architecture, for our gender identification algorithm. We will also be implementing rigorous testing and validation with the produced model. The experiment constraint and parameters, there are three of them. First, we use Python 3.9 and Keras API. Our experiment will be using Jupyter Notebook along with Python 3.9 and Keras API. And then after that, we use the downsampling. With the given dataset, we will downsample the image using max pooling 2D. After that, we epoch and step. With the parameter set, we will run our model training for 3 epoch with 70 steps for each epoch and 50 validation.
As for our results and analysis, we can see our accuracy and loss. As we run our training algorithm, a training accuracy and loss can be summed up into a table. Moreover, our trained model are also tested using another dataset. For the result, we can see from the table shown. Using the data from our model training results, we can form into a dot graph which help us visualize and identify areas to improve during our model training. The dot graph can be seen as shown. And for our conclusions, in our research on face detection using computer vision, we conducted our own experimentation using the Keras API as our primary gender detection algorithm. Utilizing Caleb A's dataset, we achieved an impressive accuracy of up to 96%. This highlights the effectiveness of the Keras API in gender detection. Throughout the utilization of CNN and deep learning techniques, computer vision systems can extract features such as facial structure, hair length, and clothing style to accurately determine the likely gender of individuals. Our experimentations using the Keras API demonstrated its high accuracy, reaching up to 96% on Collect A's dataset. As for our references, we can see that we have taken a lot of help from many of these papers. Thank you very much.